Hi friends, today I have come up with a new book that is Wild Animals. Wild Animals book by NavNeet Publications is also a board book, and this looks somewhat like this. This is a little bit old. The MRP then was ₹80. And I found it a little bit different to other wild animals as well. I'll show you, and maybe you will be able to figure it out. What is the difference, and what are the different things you are getting to know or learn from this board book. So here is a picture where you can see a lot of animals are there. There are tiger, zebra, lion, elephant, giraffe. Then who is here? Let's see. It looks like giraffe for me. So this is the first view. It's also mentioned these are herbivorous, means those animals who gaze leaves and plants, those who eat greens and plants, herbivorous. So this also explains the family or the category of animals as well. So this is somehow this book is somehow creating a difference. So let's see and understand which all animals are here. So this is a deer. This is nilgai. We found them very rare, and this is a kind of they are different kind of animals, and we have heard also nilgai. These are hare. They are not exactly the rabbits. They are a little bit different to rabbit. Maybe these are wild. Bunny and rabbits are a little bit small and all. So these are porcupine. Again, the porcupine are not same as the hedgehog, because the hedgehogs or the porcupines are these are a little bit wild, and also the spikes are the spikes are a little bit larger than the hedgehog. We'll see in the later pages as well. So here's the kangaroo. As I've already explained, this is mommy kangaroo because she's having a pocket and where her baby is intact. So all the mommy kangaroo has pocket, but none of the papa kangaroo has pocket. So this is one important point. Mommy kangaroo has pockets, but not the papa kangaroo. So they carry, so that they can carry the babies, and in between the travel, the baby sucks milk lying in the pocket. So the next one is giraffe. This is how a giraffe looks. The tall neck giraffe. This is a zebra. Here is the giant panda. We have also learned earlier that panda loves to eat wood, bamboos, and that is the reason why their teeth are very strong and sharp. But they generally loves to eat bamboo, leaves, and all this. They do not eat flesh because all these animals are herbivorous. They eat or gaze through green and plants. So this is hippopotamus. Can you see the face of hippopotamus? Yeah. So this one is gorilla. Hippopotamus, gorilla are also vegetarian, means they are herbivorous. Always remember, hippopotamus are herbivorous. They did not eat flesh. So this is a black buck. These are different to deer. These are black buck. Can you see the horns on the head? It's quite pretty. They're black buck. We found very rare in our world. So we must protect and save them. So this is rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. They are having horn on their nose. That is the difference. You can figure it out between the rhino and the hippo. If in case both of their positions are similar, you can differentiate easily by the horns. Hippo doesn't have any horn. Rhino have horns on the nose. Rhinoceros. So these are elephant. Elephant. Use elephant. Next. So these are animals which we are saying is they love to eat flesh. So we say carnivorous. Carnivorous. They comes in carnivorous family. Like wolf. So they are wolf. Tiger. Tiger. Hyena. Hyena. Cheetah. Cheetah. Meerkat. Meerkat. Leopard. Leopard. I hope you can figure it out the difference between a leopard and a cheetah. Can you see the circular dots in the cheetah's body? But the leopard has not only circular, but they are having patches but not circular. So this is cheetah, circular, and these are leopard, irregular shapes. We get confused many times with leopard and cheetah. So these are the difference. Here is a lion. And what do we say to the beard of a lion? You know, we say it mane. Mane of a lion. Lion. This is Papa lion or the male lion, and male lion has mane. But the female lion, the mommy lion, has no manes. So these are mane of a lion. They are polar bear. Polar bear. These are mongoose. Mongoose. Puma. We are very much aware about the brand name Puma and the shape also. Why? You can see this animal shape. Puma. They jump very high. Puma. They are jaguar. Just look at the face. Jaguar. Jaguar. Let's find out the difference again. Leopard. Cheetah. Leopard. Jaguar. Leopard. Jaguar. Panther. Panther is generally black. Black panther. So this is a black panther. Let's move to the next. So these are omnivorous. Omni. They eat everything. Omnivorous family. So this is we have seen porcupine here. In the first page, porcupine. You can see the horns on the top of it, top of the skin. But these are hedgehog. Hedgehog. tiny spikes they have. They're very cute, but their leaves, even when they just flap their wings or body, all the horns comes out from the body, and you might get hurt. These are a little bit smaller than of porcupine. You need to search a little bit on Google to get more information on them. So these are fox. These are armadillo. These are jackal. Bat. Giant squirrel. This is pangolin. This is baboon. Who is this? Orangutan. I'm sure you have heard about orangutan too. These are bear. Chimpanzee. Monkey. So that's it in this book. I hope you like the book. And here behind this book I have also shown you that it has birds, domestic and aquatic animals, wild animals, numbers, nursery rhymes, shapes and colors, alphabets, fruits, vehicles, vegetables. All these series are available. You can check the price on Amazon, as it was still available on Amazon, or wherever you find it cheaper than that, you can go for it. Thank you.